Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square icon, and if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, so something like that. And here we've got the recents, and basically all you have to do is to just tap on this trash bin icon to close all of those apps. We can open the recents to check, and sometimes for some reason your device will leave 2 or 3 different apps opened. So obviously you can try to tap on this trash bin icon again, or simply swipe them up to manually turn them off. And as you can see right now we've got no recent items. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.